Now, those people who experience visual impairment, like probably they have sight issues, they can't see their screen. The only way they can be able to identify that a picture is here is when you use alternate text, ALT. Okay, so that alternate is going to tell them, okay, this is an image of INI smiling. Do you understand? So this, do you know what this content you wrote in the using this alt code would be read out to the end user. Okay, if such user has sight or if such user is visually impaired. Okay, so after that you close, you keep a slash and you close. Okay, so we can now go down. You can see the image has been added already. Alright, so I'll be making this folder available. Sorry, I'll be making this web file available for you to download. So in the place of my image, you can replace that. But everything here, everything I put in this folder is going to remain like this with both my images. But please, this image is subject to copyright. If you want to use it for anything, kindly take permissions from me. Before you do that, do not use the image without acknowledging the source it came from. So it's protected under the law of copyright. Alright, so we've just learned how to insert images in our web page. Alright, so you can explore other websites to see the kind of images they have and what's going on behind corners. Okay, you should be able to have this particular knowledge that this is what they did, yeah, and that's what we cover. So I'll be giving you an assignment for this particular one, and this assignment is going to be assignments. You're expected to design a web page, to invite a friend to a birthday party. Okay, I'm going to structure that out for you. You can say for this particular one, you can say I'll give you the structure of how it should look like. So you creatively think about how you're going to present this using the tags like the header tags, the paragraph tags, the image elements, and so on. So at least it should be hi, it's my birthday. Then subsequently we're going to be having, I won't say that, but you should be able to figure out your way out. My name is INI OBONG EMMANUL. I am 50 years of age. I am inviting you to my birthday on the 31st of December 2024. Alright, so of course you know the kind of tag that you use for this particular lengthy content. Okay, so I want you to include a picture of a cake. Please, if you want to get pictures, okay, you can go to free site, pictures that does not have any form of protection in it. So go to free site like freepic.com. You can search for birthday cake. Alright, so that after the tag you should use here, you should know that the next thing that comes in between is what the picture. So search for a birthday cake picture, a cake or a cake picture, okay. So let me just give me some time out here. I'll be right back. Yeah, welcome back. And then, like I said earlier, at this particular session, you're going to include a picture of a cake. So go to site like freepig.com or pizzabay.com. Search for what? A picture of a cake. Then after you should search for picture of a cake, the website should be able to tell your invitees what they should come with. So what you should come with. I'm not going to tell you the tag you use for this. So you should creatively think of the tag, the kind of tag you use to present this particular content. These are the contents. I want everything to be uniform, so that's why I'm giving you the contents. Okay, if you're designing a website for someone, the person also will give you what the content he wants to display on the page. So if he doesn't have the content, you can negotiate that and discuss that on how to generate content for the person. But the person should have this content ready, because that is what he wants to appear on his web page. So your job is just to design, do the design, and get paid and get out. So this particular section here should be what should you come with. Then your invitee should come with what? Balloons. If you're a balloon freak, it should come with appetite, and it should come with friends, family and friends. Wow, that's a big party, bro. So you should know how you present this content like this. You understand? So what else? Let's just do this basic. Let's call this the basic. Let's just do this, alright? So as the assignment, and you're expected to submit this assignment to my mail. Submit to Captain INIOBONG@gmail.com. Okay, you can message me on WhatsApp. I add you to the WhatsApp group 138223438. So that is that about that. If you don't understand anything about the video, you can contact me personally, and I'll be able to, and I'll explain that for you. So at this point, I'll be calling it a day for this video. Alright, so take your time, watch it repeatedly again and again. If you have questions, ask. So in subsequent video, I'll also be including, I'll show you what the idea of computer file paths. So you should be able to locate files within your computer and navigate through wherever they are. Alright, okay, catch you in the next video. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, you can indicate them in the comment section, and I'll be there to pick them up and respond to them. Alright, do have a nice day.